Introducing our latest technology, Aspara. Aspara is a hydroponic smart grower that helps you grow fresh and healthy to eat vegetables and herbs right on your kitchen countertop. It allows you to grow anywhere, anytime, anything easily without soil. Our innovative technologies include adjustable LED grow light that caters to the needs of your plants at different growth stages. Automatic watering system that water your plants when needed and creates a natural water flow. Also, built-in smart sensors monitor, detect, report, and record growth conditions in the system. It comes with an Aspara app, a community platform for support. Connect your smart grower with our app. You can monitor how your plants are doing and control different settings. In just 30 days, you can harvest your vegetables and herbs. Aspara is a simple and easy way to eat fresh and healthy foods while bonding and sharing with others. Select from our large varieties of seed capsules. We guarantee a 100% germination rate. No matter you are a planting beginner, a master chef wannabe, or you care so much about your family, Aspara is what you need. Time to start a healthy lifestyle.
Meet Verdeat, an app-controlled indoor gardening system of soilless organic plant cultivation. It consists of modular trays which allow you to grow greens, microgreens, or even entire plants in pots. This revolutionary system brings unique universality into hydroponic gardening. Vegetables, fruits, greens, baby leaves, herbs, or even flowers, you can arrange your home garden with up to 76 plants at once. Verdeat helps you grow your own organic and pesticide-free food much faster and more efficiently than regular cultivation, resulting in fresh, wholesome nutrition on your table, which will cause healthy habits to become the default setting for your kids. Our system is almost entirely maintenance-free, and your investment pays back within 6 months. Verdeat is a solution designed to tackle the contemporary issues. It consumes even 90% less water than soil-based cultivation and allows you to use up to 8 kilograms less plastic a year. 95% of materials it's made of are recycled, and 0 kilometers means 0 waste, especially organic. With Verdeat, you grow what you need, eat what you can, and compost the rest. Verdeat makes it easy to grow seeds, cultivate sprouts, and take care of entire potted plants. You set it up in 20 minutes, and then all you need is to add water and nutrients once every 2 to 3 weeks. We designed Verdeat in 3 sizes and colors so that it can fit both your apartment and your needs for greens. Each model can be a graceful and comforting element of a house, a restaurant, a hotel, or even an office, bringing therapeutic effect of green surroundings, sun-like lighting, and improved air quality. Just imagine waking up to the gentle light and calming green of your home garden, thanks to the setup lighting scheduled in the app. Verdeat's perfect parameters come with its design to emit near-natural light that stimulates plant growth even in unwelcoming spaces like basements.
Say hello to OGarden Smart, the future of indoor gardening. OGarden Smart is an indoor gardening system that allows you to grow fresh produce at home. Unlike most indoor gardening systems, OGarden Smart can grow up to 90 fruits and vegetables simultaneously, significantly supplementing your grocery shopping in a way that no other indoor gardening system has done before. And since it's indoors, you never have to worry about the weather affecting what you grow or when you grow it. Get perfect fruits and veggies all year round. OGarden Smart is easy to use. Simply place your seeds and growing cups in the nursery cabinet below. When the seeds sprout, transfer them to the wheel. There, they'll grow large enough to harvest. The rotating wheel keeps your roots moist and can host up to 60 plants, while the nursery cabinet below can hold up to 30 plants, giving you a constant rotation of 30 crops at all times. The automatic low-energy consumption LEDs simulate the perfect amount of sunshine, and the automatic watering gives your produce exactly the amount it needs for optimal growth. Growing your produce at home means no pesticides, no herbicides, and no waste. Just incredibly fresh food for you and your family that you can harvest right when you need it.
Meet the EcoQube Sprout, a beautiful and simple way to grow micro veggies in the comfort of your home. The EcoQube Sprout is a sustainable modular micro garden, soilless and eco-friendly. Its modular design makes it easy for you to grow veggies anywhere on your own time. Grow a variety of flavors like broccoli, kale, and arugula sprouts in just 2 easy steps. Add water and insert your seed pads. That's it. The compostable seed pads are 100% recycled materials that provide the perfect amount of moisture using capillary action. This allows the water to be distributed evenly to the seeds throughout the entire growth cycle. Just sit back and watch your garden grow. No green thumb required. Join us in bringing nature and healthy food into indoor spaces. The EcoQube Sprout, your modular micro garden.